Mentakas Palay ka Pratrik Jong Uno Pra u Dr. Mukul Sangma Menteri Rang Ba Abarim ke Jelah u Badairu u Nongstoin Jong Kaliang Pasha hadim balo de ban play ka office rekam jong ka Aitc bari jong ka Nongstoin Block Congress Committee u lahar chaga shnong ti saw ha ka balai dun rengkat da uba Charles Pengro President jong ka Aitc Meghalaya uba George Bilengdo MLA ka Umroi constituency uba James Lindo uba Macmillan Kharbani President jong ka Nongstoin Block Trinamool Congress ubolong ru kertong hak election ka banwan uba Justin G Momin kertong ka motion ron uba Fernandez Dekhar kertong ka TMC Ramrai Jengam bat kiwe di Kinongelam hakani gaski lapnya ia ke Jingialang daw ba Manik Singh Kharbani hak ba ki hajar ngot ki Paidbah kilatu syakte ka madan ban sngap ia ke ka ba Dr. Mukul Sangma uong.
We all are seeing what is happening across the nation. Who is fighting against this powerful and might of the BJP?
Tentu ini menurut kita kebanyakan percaya. Ya, ketika kita berbuat dengan BJP, kita berdekat juga.
The Grand All-Party Indian National Congress has stopped fighting against BJP.
The Congress kemudian rasakan dua buah, bak kampak syuk kebanyakan percaya dengan BJP.
All other political parties have stopped or decided to stop fighting against BJP's agenda.
The baru kuih kisah lima. Rasakan hat atau syok lo kebanyakan percaya dengan BJP.
Then who will fight against the agenda of BJP then?
Kenapa kebanyakan percaya dengan BJP?
To protect the interests of our Jack Pendru.
Bagaimana jom Jack Pendru?
To protect the interests of our people's culture, way of life.
Bagaimana berkokim kejungi Jack Pendru bagi kita Nongstoin juga.
We show a powerful conviction in Trinamool Congress to continue fighting against the agendas of BJP.
Ini dah hari ke parti ke Trinamool Congress. Bagaimana ni tak nongren ke sekian ke semua ke kunjungan berikut percaya dengan BJP.
That's why we all decided collectively to join and march with this Trinamool Congress.
Datang ini berikut tak nanglo waktu ini kesal.
Because with the sense of utmost commitment and responsibility, we want to fulfill our purpose and responsibility to protect the interests, larger interests of our people.
Datang kau menyerang pak, berikut percaya ini bawa BJP pak berdana kau jumi kau BJP berdana kau jumi pak.
Many people in the state make their observation and comments and tells me our way of life and our culture are on the track.
Kau ini jumi, yang ini ka long jiman jumi kau kipat kasih kara ini baru muda isok sih.
The present power in Delhi have infiltrated all the important institutions of this great nation.
Ka Jingialang Jong sarkar di Delhi, but kekom terkam juga sama persenjataan PKK baru kemudian ada jadi berjuang.
Different instances of cases which revolves around important issues which involves our way of life are being affected with different kind of observations today by the different kind of institutions which are expected to provide justice action.
Bapun ki omba, ya itu kemukul galadam kantor kongres kata lah jok sup kami nak pui sup sorka.
So I asked them, why do you say so?
Ikli beli fiang muka.
They say, because of the innumerable countless instances of misgovernance, alleged irregularities, alleged corruptions, and the so-called activity where people refer to as high level.
Bahan demi pelan-pelan kat ni kejimbom, bom biang jabari, jabat berdiri, kejimbom biang harakom secara kedar. Dan ni yang persut di film penjauh.
This high level is not confined to only coal mining or only in business. This has affected even the normal life of the people, even the youth, our children who have their dreams and aspirations pertaining to seeing the spaces of various employment.
Belum itu, belum budget dikembali, belum budget yang sorka.
So, the whole power revolves around the citizens, the people.
Belum kabur, belum hakikat pak.
That's the beauty of democracy.
Jadi kata haji itu nak yang budget siapa pak.
But there's a rider. There's a rider.
Kenapa jing perking hantar?
This whole power comes with utmost sense of responsibility.
Magani kaboru kawan rengkat magajikit klik.
Responsibility towards our people, our society, our land, our state, and our nation.
Jadi klik nam talajong kiparapuri, nam talajong kakendo kasiap, nam talajong kejalan, nam talajong kali.
With a responsibility that revolves around the larger interests of our people, the larger interests of our state.
Kalau tak jadi klik kelong nam tak kebahalang, talajong kipailang, kebahalang nam talajong kejalan.
That's why I want to ask you a question. How would you like to utilize this power that is vested upon all of you?
Ikaw ang kili pigo ikikili. Kung no mo pin pendon kami ngabor pala ay pi kung kipay.
Shall we allow the same kind of conversation narrative where we hear so many new? I have probably been enriched with some new vocabularies. We had a by-election last year where I for the first time heard the word called high level.
Aku ini election belum menciptakan. Dekat menikung mengiasu dengan ketin high level.
When I went to Dantes, I hear the same word high level.
Dari sini dia iasu dengan ketin high level.
And when I come to West Cassis, I hear the same word high level.
Manawan sekitar West Cassis sejumiru iasu dengan tali ketin high level.
What is this high level? I think you all know, because I have been also enlightened about this word.
Try kaya kita high level, try baru upipitip, umangayu, sambal sutu yang tak kecil.
This high level, low level, high level, low level, I think they must be made to realize that the power is not with those who consider themselves high level, but the power is with the people. I want to share my experience. Yesterday I had to decide whether to reach Nongstoin or reach Shillong or come from Garwitz, because I had quite a number of programs. I had to meet lots of people, lots of engagement, lots of political negotiations. But I ended up completing this whole exercise by almost 11:15 in the night. They want to make us forget and focus only on these issues, but forget other agendas of BJP which are not acceptable to the people of this hill state. If we get alleged irregularities and alleged corruption pertaining to the implementation of number of important Government of India sponsored programs were brought to the notice of both the state government and the union government.